So we're gonna try and do some of the front damage today. And Zach's gonna start pulling this around when he gets off his phone. Ready? Isn't it beautiful? How to make a come along, the winch edition. Oh, it does have a little remote on it. That's pretty tight.
Yeah, it's not bad. So you can control it when you're inside the car.
Is it long? Oh, it looks pretty decently long. Taller than you.
Oh.
The truck is idling down as you were working in there.
Yeah. That's why you usually just sit inside and give us some gas.
Alright, now you hooked that up to the battery, right?
Uh-huh. There we go.
Watch your fingers. Truck's coming along. Holding just a little bit. I mean
it's kind of hard.
Before this was touching, so you're able to put 2 fingers in there.
I want to be able to straighten this out, but I feel like
if you go straight on and you were to pull it from here,
if I had something to hook up to down here. Oh.
Figuring out 240s with Zach Berard.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh! Whoa, that got stuck.
There goes the truck. Look the other way. We've moved this so much that the hood pin actually no longer lines up into the hole. So this is actually pulled out a decent amount. Even though it looks like crunched and nasty, it's honestly not super far off from what this side should be at. So now what we're going through and doing is the rear of the car. And skablamo, somebody got the winching bug.
This winch works very well.
It's tight.
Yeah.
I approve.
When I pull here, it's gonna stretch all this, and you might be able to see it in the picture.
All right, let's see.
See how it's all...
One more, I guarantee it. Alright, there you go.
I'm just gonna leave it.
Just let it hold the tension for a minute. Yeah, try hitting now. Oh, jeez, that's lifting up hella. Alright. Whoa. That's crazy how much that moved. Alright, try the trunk real quick. Now this thing had an overlap of an inch. Oh, look how close that is now.
Close.
It's almost there.
It's close.
Before that had an overlap of an inch. So literally a whole inch of the trunk lid was sitting over the over fender instead of actually going over here. I think I have one of the original.
Hopefully I don't blow this over fender. That's not horrible. I wish I could get it up
around that. Why don't you could just widen the hole a little bit. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Wait, I'm gonna try that trunk again just for fun.
It's gotta be a little bit.
Oops, there's that. Oh, dang, son.
Dude, it's deep up from here.
Dude, that thing's got some movement to it. Hit. Is that a railroad spike?
Possibly. Yeah, exactly. It won't work.
Try
I've
it.
already sat there.
With it, with tension on the top?
I need to get this. Dump it around.
I'm like super proud.
I'm just,
First time using a winch to pull an S chassis like straight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you did a great job.
Usually I just cut this stuff off.
Yeah. This car. Whatever's in the
No,
way.
still the same.
What are you talking about? Still the same.
Still the same. It still has this gap right here.
It's the slightest, the very slightest. This right here used to
It's already
not
too late.
line up.
I'm
No,
gonna
look at
sell
that.
it.
It's lined up. I can put my nail in between that. Over here, like talking over the difference between this and honestly, like, what is it?
Pile of crap.
Oh wait, no. The difference though.
Oh, the difference is a lot.
This car has literally changed so much in the rear. Okay, so now we're gonna go move this car over. Oh. We're gonna move this car over, and I have a beautiful hood ornament. Focus on. You gotta move that bumper. We want you to tell us the actual difference between before on the rear quarter panel and now. So
Okay,
walk
yeah.
up to it, let's see.
Oh my goodness, that's wow. How'd you get that out, Zach?
Winch.
With your winch? No, dude, that was so caved in. That's like seriously so much better than it was. Yeah, no, it literally looks like it was only crashed once.
Maybe like 20 times.
Yeah, 3.5 maybe.
Now to get a taillight to fit in there, I'm gonna have to probably cut this out because this is no longer the shape of that taillight. So I'm gonna have to probably cut that out and then make new
This
holes.
thing was $200, so.
Oh, really? In that case. Alright, guys. I'm sorry that you had to watch us try to reincarnate this 240.
I don't know what
But
happened.
you were at work and doing. I'm sorry you had to witness me ripping this thing apart with a winch, but it's for the benefit of the drift community, and we're saving this thing. And now it's going to be beautiful when we're done. Me and Shawn, this is our vehicle build project.
Shawn,
Some slime.
Shawn, do the like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't know.
If you have any questions, just comment. Besides that, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube Shinchoku channel.
Shawn, do you know what to do with your hands?
You're on fire.